Want to delete your Facebook account on iPhone or Android? In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to erase it permanently, fast. Let's take control of your privacy now. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android. Tap the menu, 3 lines in the top right for iPhone, bottom right for Android. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy and tap it, then choose Settings. This takes you to your account options. Easy so far, right? In Settings, scroll to Your Facebook Information. Tap Account Ownership and Control, then Deactivation and Deletion. Select Delete Account, not Deactivate, and tap Continue to Account Deletion. Pro tip, download your data first if you want photos or posts. Hit Delete Account again to confirm. Enter your password, then tap Continue. Confirm one last time, and you're done. You'll see a message saying your account's scheduled for deletion. It's gone after 30 days. Try logging in to check. It won't work. If you see your profile, restart the app or try again. Your Facebook's history now. That's it. You've deleted your Facebook account in minutes. Like this video for more tech hacks, subscribe for weekly tips, and tell me, why are you quitting Facebook? Drop it below. Stay private, and I'll see you next time.